Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with a really cool gift from our friends at National Geographic. It's all to promote SharkFest, which is a programming lineup that starts July 19th featuring, you guessed it, sharks. So for all of you marine biology fans and all of you shark fans, it's going to be really exciting. It's going to be on both National Geographic and Nat Geo Wild. And this is really exciting, a whole month dedicated to just sharks. So we are looking forward to that here at Laughing Place. Let's take a look at what's inside this shark-sized box. First up, it looks like we have a magnet that lists all of the programming blocks planned for the SharkFest. And so that includes world's biggest tiger shark, quite a few premieres. You can see on here, all of the P's stand for premiere. So lots of new programming coming up featuring sharks. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. Looks like we have a SharkFest baseball cap. And this is really cool because on the back, it says National Geographic. So I definitely love that SharkFest hat. I'll be wearing that all month for SharkFest. We have a beach towel, comes wrapped in a very nice National Geographic yellow ribbon. Let's take a look at the towel. It's a beautiful towel with the SharkFest logo on it. Very cool. And these are some National Geographic SharkFest branded ball and paddle sets. So for some fun outdoor summer play, these are looking great. I'm excited to get outdoors and play with these. And then there's two products from BigMouth, the pool float company. This is a big lounger float called I Choose You, chew spelled like a shark chewing. And the backing of that has giant shark mouth coming out of it, and then it looks like you are sitting in the water being attacked by a shark. And then there is also a air pump to blow that up, so you don't have to overexert your lungs trying to get this thing blown up. These are all really cool gifts. Thank you again to National Geographic for sharing these great products with us. You can pick up the pool float and the air pump at most major retailers. And again, SharkFest begins July 19th on National Geographic. Tons of great new and enhanced programming coming up, all featuring our love of sharks. Hope you all stay safe. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.